How many of your meeting rooms don't have technology which enables you to make a modern Teams call? Many organizations want to modernize these smaller spaces, but face two consistent barriers. The first is budget. Fitting out every small room with a full video conferencing setup can quickly become cost prohibitive. The second is the physical environment. Glass walls, heritage restrictions, or building limitations can make traditional wall-mounted installs difficult or even impossible. And that's why Microsoft has designed Express Install solutions. Express Install is a complete room-in-a-box solution built specifically for partners who need to deliver efficient, repeatable Microsoft Teams Rooms deployments. Distributed by Decadata, each bundle is pre-configured with Microsoft Teams Rooms certified hardware from leading vendors. Everything your customer needs arrives in a single solution. The video bar, the touch controller, and compute. The table stand, the display screen, all ready to go. Display sizes vary from 43-inch to 55-inch, depending on your room. For you as a partner, it means speed and scalability. These solutions are ideal for both partners that already sell Teams Room solutions and those who are new to the category. Express Install is about getting modern technology into more meeting spaces. By activating the largest portion of underutilized spaces, resellers can move quickly, scale smarter, and lay the foundation for the next AI-driven agentic workplace. Our local Decadata team is here to help you select the ideal Express Install bundle for your customers. Backed by Australia's largest portfolio of Teams Room certified vendors, Express Install isn't a product bundle, it's your fastest path to delivering intelligent, consistent meeting spaces at scale, with Decadata ensuring a seamless experience.